In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add an expense in the Cashew Expense Budget Tracker app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is open up the Budget app. Now from here, make sure to sign into your account. Now to add an expense, from the Home tab here, we've got a little plus icon. So go ahead and click on that plus icon. Give this expense a title. So for example, I'm going to say medical bill. Then from here, we want to go ahead and select category. So this is an expense. So now choose a category inside of here. Now, if the category isn't there, we can go ahead and add a category. So I've done medical expense, and that is going to be under nothing here. So I need to go ahead and click on the plus icon. Now I'm going to add a category. So I'm just going to call this medical. I can give this a color code if I like. So I might choose green. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on add category, and now you can see this category has been added. So I'm going to click onto that, and now simply add in that amount for that expense. So say if it was $150, my medical expense, I'm going to add transaction, and then once we've done that, you're going to be taken to the home page, and you can see your net worth will be decreased by that expense.